Good evening. Today's topic is check spelling and grammar in MS Word. When we type text in MS Word, some mistakes can occur. It can be a spelling mistake or a grammatical mistake. So, it can be corrected by using the spelling check tool. There are two methods. Method number one is by using context menu. Like, if you have typed grammar, if the spelling is wrong, a red wavy line will appear under the word, right? And if you right click on it, some options will appear. It is the correct spelling of grammar, or it will be ignore all, add to dictionary, and other some options. If you want to ignore, if you want it not to be changed, it is to be like that, then you will click on ignore. If you want this spelling to be added in the dictionary so that no further mistake is shown, that is, it is not shown as the mistake, no red wavy line will be shown if you add it to the dictionary. And if you want to change the spelling, you will click on the correct spelling option. So as you click on this correct spelling option, it will appear in place of this and the red wavy line will be removed. So you have to just click on the appropriate suggestion you want, right? And method number two is by review tool. There is a review tab. As you click on this review tab, in the proofing pane, you have to click on spelling and grammar, and a spelling pane will open. The screen will be divided into two columns. It will be opened in the right side of the document. And here, this wrong spelling will be displayed, under which the red wavy line has appeared. And there will be some options: ignore, ignore all, add, and the correct spelling, change all. If you want to ignore it once, you have to click on this. If you want to ignore all, that is, you want to ignore the spellings to be corrected in whole document, you have to click on ignore all. If you want to add it to the dictionary, you have to click on this option. And if you want to correct the spelling, you have to click on this option as it is the correct spelling, and then you have to click on change. If you want to change it in the entire document, you have to click on change all, and then the entire document will be checked. If you want to click on the change all option, right, the entire document will be checked and a confirmation dialog box will appear. You have to click on OK button.